Hey guys, this is Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And as I promised, this is another crypto video about VENTURI Staking Platform. And guys, in this video, just want to show you step by step how do you enter the auction lobby, how do you buy, how do you collect from the auction lobby, how do you stake your VENT tokens, and how do you collect dividends in VENTURI Staking Platform. So guys, I'm going to, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use two accounts. I have two accounts here, and I'm going to use all of them to show you this. But for you, you can all do this in one account. So this is my first account. This is my first account. Um, okay. So guys, let me use this. I want to see if there is enough Tron here. Okay, there is enough. I'm going to just enter the auction lobby using 500 Tron. So now the site opens like this, and remember, before you enter the auction lobby, make sure that you use someone's link, because if you use someone's link, you'll get 10% extra tokens on what you buy from the auction lobby. So take that as a must, that you must use someone's link, guys. That is very important. So guys, this is the home page. So step number one, we go to the auction lobby. This is the auction lobby. Now I can buy tokens here, but I'm not using someone's link, meaning that I won't get the extra tokens that I want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log out and I'm going to use another link. Actually, I'm going to use my other link in another account, in account number 2, sorry. I'm going to use in account number 2 here. So if I'm to log into account number 2, I'm going to copy the link, the referral link. So this is the referral link. Copy. I open a new tab. I paste it here. Now I have, before pasting it there, let me first change the wallet. I go to wallet 1. Then I paste the link. So as you can see, the referral link appears here. So if the referral link appears here, you are free to enter the auction lobby. I go to the auction lobby. Now this is the first step. First step, using someone's link. Second step, entering the auction lobby. You enter it. It has to show your applinee's referral ID. You enter the amount of Tron. I'm going to use 500. So it pops up my wallet. Remember, you must be having enough Tron in your wallet to cater for the transaction charges. This is a smart contract. So 500 has been successfully entered into the lobby. So in that today's entry, only 31,000 has been bought. We started from 25,000, then it decreased to decrease, and this. So now I've bought my entry. This is in Tron, and I've got 39,000 vent according to this value, which is 78.599 Tron. 59. These are 78 vent for 1 Tron. But as many people enter into the auction lobby, this number goes on decreasing. As you can see, in the first day we went in at 250,000, and this is where we are getting 9 vent per Tron. On the second day it decreased. Even here it had to decrease. On the third day it decreased. Even here it had to. Here it increased. Yeah. So now you'll get the exact number of vent to receive here when the auction ends. So that is step number 1. Step number 2, we want to collect. I want to show you how to collect the vent from the auction lobby. So if I'm to go to the auction here, now I'm going to switch to another account because I have some collection there. So I'm going to go to account number 2. So I'm in account number 2 now. So now I bought this yesterday. I entered into the auction lobby, actually before this one started. The other one ended, and I entered with 1000 TRX, and I was able to receive 22,000 vent. So I'm going to collect this vent and I'm going to put it in the staking launch. So you collect. There is now when this timer goes to 0 and you have bought, the collect button will appear here. In other words, if this one goes to 0, the enter button will go away and it will be replaced by the collect button. So I'm collecting my vent. My wallet pops up, and as you can see, after collecting, it shows ended. So all my event that has been here has gone into the staking launch. Click on the staking launch and it's going to appear here. As you can see, it is here. So now if it appears here, I'm going to stake it. Amount to stake, it is 28. I'm going to stake all of it, but you can also break it into, you can break it, I don't know how I can say. Let me break it. Let me put 10,000, and I stake it for 5 days. Let me stake it for 5 days. But guys, remember, the longer you stake, the more you get, the more dividends you get. So I would emphasize you to do longer stakes, because if you do longer stakes, you'll also enjoy some bonus day rewards. There are some days that you get rewards. So I've staked it, as you can see it here. Now if you stake it, it will show you the day when you're going to start. We are on day number 1 today. Today is day number 4, so it will start earning when this timer goes to 0. When this timer goes to 0, it will start earning, and it will end on the 10th day. So it is in waiting because the timer is still on. I've staked 10k shares, and the dividends I've not yet got any. Now yesterday, the other day, I staked. It started on day number 3, and I staked it for 30 days. So that's why you see it has started running. So it has so far run for 1 day, and I've got 960 TRX in form of dividends, and also interest of 79 TRX. No, 79. This is this is vent. So now my current value is at 22,000 Tron, not 72,000 vent, because remember I staked it. It was at 21,000. It has earned this interest, and so far my vent is worth a 22,000 vent. So that is step number 2. Now I showed you how to enter the auction lobby. I've showed you how to make a stake. So let me stake this other one which is remaining. I'm going to stake it. Let me refresh a bit. I'm seeing the exact value still there. It should reduce. So I'm going to stake the remaining one. It is 189. I'm staking for 30 days because I want to get more TRX rewards. 18984, and you shouldn't put, it should be only this whole number. You leave these decimal points. So this one I'm going to stake it for 30 days also. So this one will start on day number 5 and it will go up to day number 35. This is when I'll be able to collect my rewards. So I'm staking it also. My wallet pops up, I accept, and after that you can refresh here a bit, and then you check it down in the active states. So it appears here also. So I'm having, in this account, I'm having 3 stakes that are running. This one is ending on day number 33, this one is ending on day number 35, and this one is ending on day number 10. So the last step that I want to show you is how to collect when your stake has ended. Now I'm going to go to the other account, that where I was given that 200 free event. It is account number 1, and I show you how to collect it also. So this is it. So I'm having 200 event that was given to me free of charge, and it earned dividends worth 4,000 TRX. This is a lot of TRX, guys, from just 200 event. So now here I want you guys to pay attention here on this step. So now when your stakes are finished, like this one, there are 2 buttons appear. In other words, there are 2 options that you can follow. You can collect it and you take 100% Tron dividends, these ones, into your Tron wallet, and then the other 20, the this current value of the vent, the 20% of the vent goes back into your vent wallet. 20% of that comes here. It comes here, and then the other 80%, the 80% of the vent is burnt in order to mitigate token inflation. So they want to reduce on the number of tokens, vent tokens in circulation, so which is very good. Now a time will reach when one vent is expensive, so that's why you guys have to come in now and buy this vent when it is cheap, and make sure that you make longer stakes, because vent is gonna be so valuable in future. So the 20% vent goes back into your vent balance, and that includes the interest and also the bonuses that you have got during the staking period. And those bonuses include the referral bonuses, in other words, when people use your link, and also the bonus day rewards. Now I didn't tell you that these are the bonus day rewards. Every after 5 days, on every now, like if you came in on day 1, on day number 5 you get a bonus day. So every 5 days you get double payments on those days. So that's why it is longer to stake for longer days. So as I told you, the other 80% of the vent is burnt in order to mitigate token inflation. So another important thing also, you have 7 days to claim your rewards. Here, to click this button. Now it has come on day number 4, so I have 7 days in order to collect it. And if I don't claim it, you pay a penalty of losing 95% of your vent. 95% of this vent, you lose it, and also 85% of the TRX rewards that you would have claimed. So in 7 days, if I don't claim it, 95% of this will go, and also 85% of this will go away. So that's the penalty that they put, and that was taken into place because in the previous platforms, members were taking advantage of this, which sank those platforms. So this developer came up with all those ideas that made those platforms to fail, and came up with a solution to them. And another thing is canceling this stake. If you cancel a stake before it reaches maturity, you face the same penalty as not claiming your reward when the stake is done, i.e. 95% of this you lose it, and also 85% of the dividends that you would have collected here, you also lose it. So the thing here is that you should never cancel a stake. You just have to leave it to run. That's when you're going to earn maximum benefits from your stake. So as you can see now, this stake has so far run for one day, and in just one day I've earned 1000 TRX. So another that is option one. You can collect and take dividends, and another option is the roll stake here. They put it for you here. So when you click on roll stake, that is a new feature that this platform developed. Now your stakes will go to the vent link. Your stakes will come here to the vent link, and 100% of your Tron will be staked here, and 20% of your vent will go to the vent balance in the staking launch there, and 80% of the vent you will lose it. In other words, it will be burnt in order to mitigate inflation. So the 100% TRX that goes into the vent link will earn you 1% per day till you get back 310%. But you don't need to necessarily wait for 310% per day. No, 310% with getting 1% per day. You can get that 310% in three ways. There is the passive income. This is the 100%. This is the daily income of 1%. You can also get it in terms of referral bonus and also matching bonus. So you'll find that if you're active, you can get the 310% in just a few days or a few hours, or if 1 week or any other time that you get. So this is a new feature that has come into this platform, and as you can see, people are already active in it. There is already $13,000, and the total ventic deposits of all time are this. Smart contract balance has got to 23,000 for TRX already. So, and here it shows your upline here, and so as you can see here, you can get your link here. Person invited partners 1, number of partners 1, total community partners 85. So guys, I don't want to waste time. Let me go and collect my collection here. So I have a collection to make here, and I want to show you that 4000 TRX is going to come into my wallet. Oh, it is here. Click the collect button. My wallet pops up. So it is 4,200, and yeah, it has gone away. So it will appear in my ended stakes here. So if I'm to refresh, hey, it is not appearing. Maybe because it was given free of charge. Okay, let me check my wallet. As long as the money is in the wallet, that one I wouldn't mind a lot. Boom, guys, 4,231 TRX has arrived in my wallet. So this is VENTURI Staking Platform. Take some time. I'm gonna leave my link in the description. Use it, get 10% extra tokens on your purchase. And if you get any questions, just comment in the comment section. I'll be able to reach out to you, or you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm leaving my social media handles in the description of this video as well. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.